Hello my beautiful fashion lovers, let's cut and sew this beautiful sunray skirt and you will love it. You can slay it on any top and you're good to go. Okay, so the material I'm using here is sunray and this is 2 yards of sunray. Okay, and I've go ahead to fold it into 4 this way. Yeah, so I folded it into 4 this way and I go ahead to mark the length I'm working with, which is 40 inches for the length. Then I trace out the length to the end side. Okay, that is how I mark it to get a straight line. Then I go ahead to cut out the length I'm working with. Okay, that's basically what I'm doing here. So when I'm done doing that, I will go ahead to cut it out. Okay, it's a very simple style that you can create in 3 minutes. You're good to go. So this is it. This is what I'm working with. This is what I'm working with, and this is 2 yards. Okay, the whole 2 yard is what I folded here. I folded the whole 2 yards here. Okay, so that is what I cut out this way. So once you're done, you go ahead to get the end side of this skirt. I'm going to get the both end side. Okay, you know the both, one side will be open, so you get the both side like this. Then you go ahead to make a straight stitch. You're going to make a straight stitch to close this up. Okay, after closing it up, you're going to get a circle, like you're just going to get a circle something there. All right, after closing it up, there'll be no opening again. You just that whole skirt. So once you're done with that, you go ahead to fold in 0.5 inch this way. You go into fold it with 0.5. Let's do that and bring it. So now I've gone ahead to close up that side. Yeah, I've gone ahead to close up that side, and this is what we have. This is the circle I was talking about. You're going to get something like this. Yeah, so I've gone ahead to do that, and I also went ahead to hold the down side. Okay, so this is the closing and this is the downside. I've stitched it with 0.5 inch. Okay, moving on is fixing of the elastic, and this is the elastic we are working with, and I'm using 25 inches. I'm using 25 inches for the elastic because the hip I'm working with is 44, so I'm using 25. So if you are lesser than that, you can use 23 or 22. Okay, so I'll go ahead and hold it this way and make a stitch to stitch up the elastic. Okay, then after that I'll bring it back. So I've gone ahead to make a stitch to close it up, to make a circle of it this way. Now I'm going to place it on the wrong side of this skirt this way, giving a 0.75 inches. Okay, this method, if you don't know how to do this method, just create a space and fix in your elastic. Okay, you are good to go. But this elastic, we usually use it for a band trouser, all those band palazzo trouser. Okay, that is where they use. So if you don't know it, you can use the opportunity and learn it. Okay, give a space of 0.5 inches, then place your elastic and start sewing it at the tiny extreme there. Okay, just sew it tiny there, and while sewing it, you're going to be stretching it. You make sure you stretch it finish. Okay, yeah, so this is what we have after making the tiny stitch. Can you see what I've done here? So this is what we basically have here. So you go ahead now to fold in that 0.75 that you left while sewing the elastic. You fold it this way. I'm going to fold it this way. So once you're done folding it this way, then you fold it again. Okay, then you place a stitch on it. You're going to stitch it, and while stitching it too, you're going to draw it. You make sure you draw while sewing this method. While using this method, you're going to draw while sewing the elastic. Okay, if this method is too complex for you, you can go ahead to create a channel and fixing your elastic. Create a channel, a elastic channel, and fixing your elastic. You're good to go. But if you want to know how to do this one, you can still watch it and follow this method that I use for the elastic. Okay, So this is basically the outcome of our skirts, and you can slay this with any top of yours. You can slay it on. All right. And my beautiful people, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video for others to benefit from, and don't forget to like and comment. Okay, anything you notice or any tutorial you would like me to make, just comment it and I will definitely do the tutorial for you. Okay, see you all in my next video. Bye.